IIT Dhanbad come up with a new recruitment in this year 2021, non-faculty recruitment, also called as non-teaching recruitment. Their notification came on 4th February 2021. So what are the posts? A medical officer, ASO, ASE, counselor, technical officer, workshop superintendent, placement officer, deputy registrar, assistant registrar. All are level 10 posts except workshop superintendent, placement officer and deputy registrar. So ARs are 7 posts. Remaining all ASCs are 4 posts, medical officer 3 posts, technical officer 3 posts, remaining 1 post. So one is backlog post for AR post, one is reserved for PWD. If PWD are not available, then they will take UR post. So when it comes to the details, for medical officer, this is a level 10 post, age limit is 40, MD or MS is required, if not postgraduate diploma, if not MBBS. So for ASE, first class BTech in CSE, MSc, IT, MC are equivalent with 6 years of relevant experience is required. The relevant experience should be in government institute or relevant reputed computer organization. So if this is not, then first class ME or MTech with 4 years of experience is sufficient. Here the relevant experience is separate for 4 posts. For one post it is system administration. The details are given below. For the second post it's network administration. For third post, it is HPC and cloud management. For fourth post, it is IT security. The details are given in this PDF. So I will attach this PDF to this video. And another one is counselor. This is again interesting post. MA or MSc in clinical psychology and graduation in psychology with at least 55% marks. For this, 5 years of experience is required. So the details are attached in this. And again, technical officer. For technical officer, this is fourth post. The fourth post is technical officer. For TO, they have given again full details. This is the technical officer post. So one post is cultural lab and B is for 2 posts for a HRTM, FESTM. So my master's degree is required with 55% marks. Or else MTech with 55% marks with 2 years of experience. If master's degree is here having, then 4 years of experience. If MTech degree is you are having, then 2 years of experience. So like this they just aggregated. And similarly BTech bachelor degree is also available with 5 years of relevant experience. So that is for TO. And when comes to next post, that is superintendent, this is post number workshop superintendent. So details are as mentioned, the MTech degree with 55% marks, level 10 post, level 12 post, for which you need level 10 experience for a period of 5 years, or bachelor's degree with a period of experience you need of 8 years of experience you required, that also in pay level 10. So when it comes to placement officer, the essential is master's degree with 55% marks with 5 years of experience, or bachelor's degree in engineering or technology with a experience of 7 years is sufficient. So that 7 years also should be in level 10. This is also level 12 post. So when it comes to DR, this is also pay level 12 post. For this, master's degree with 55% marks with an experience of 9 years as assistant professor. It's a faculty assistant professor. Then for 9 years is required under pay level 10. Or when it comes to administration experience, the level is 5 years of administration experience as AR, level 10 post under AR. If you are having, then you are eligible for DR post. So the eighth one and important post is assistant registrar, level 10 post, age is 40 years. For this also 55% marks is required with master's degree with at least 5 years of relevant experience. So again important thing is the pay level to be having in experience is 7. Pay level 7, you have to have 5 years of experience to be eligible for AR post of level 10. Okay, remaining all are general points. SC, ST, OBC and ex-servicemen, there is no fees. For them, the age relaxation also available as per government norms. And the institute reserves the right for reasonable total number of candidates to be called. Those are general points. Format is to be taken from which is prescribed by Government of India. OBC is to be taken from new one, which is updated on 31st March 2020 are new. Old things will not be considered. Then closing date will be considered for cutoff date of the age, educational qualification and experience. So remaining again normal points. So another important thing is, if you are from IITs or NITs or CFTAs, 5 years of age relaxation will be there, provided that you have minimum of 3 years of experience in that IITs or NITs. Okay, that is again useful. And remaining again normal points. Written test is 80 marks, so skill test or proficiency test is 20 marks. No TA will be given. However, for interview candidates, CIC 3 tier will be given, and recruitment payment is for 1000 rupees that you can pay through this link. And again, SC, ST, ex-servicemen, Divyang and female candidates are exempted from this, and application is required to be submitted by 20th March 2021, that is last date. So if you click on this link, it will take to you that application portal. So remaining again normal points. If you have any doubts about this recruitment, please mention under comment section. We will try to clear it off. Thank you from your useful needful.